Hi there, and welcome to Do You Know? Your one-stop channel for fascinating educational topics. Today, we're diving into the incredible history of artificial intelligence, or AI. Where did it all begin? Who coined the term? And how did AI evolve into what we know today? Stick around to find out. Let's rewind the clock to the 1940s and 50s. While computers were still in their infancy, the dream of creating machines that could think like humans had already captured the imagination of scientists. But let's clarify something. The concept of artificial intelligence isn't new. It dates back thousands of years to ancient myths about mechanical beings and automatons. Think of the Greek myth of Talos, a giant bronze, human-like machine. Fast forward to modern times, the foundational ideas for AI came from mathematics, philosophy, and early computing. A key figure in this period was Alan Turing, the British mathematician who cracked the Nazi Enigma code during World War II. In 1950, Turing published a groundbreaking paper titled Computing, Machinery, and Intelligence. In it, he proposed what we now call the Turing Test, a method to determine if a machine can exhibit human-like intelligence. While Turing didn't coin the term AI, his work laid the intellectual foundation for it. So, when did artificial intelligence officially begin? That brings us to the summer of 1956. A small group of researchers gathered at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, for a workshop that would change the world. This event is known as the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, and it's widely considered the birth of AI as a field of study. One of the key organizers of this event was a computer scientist named John McCarthy. He's the one who actually coined the term artificial intelligence for the first time. In McCarthy's words, the goal of AI was to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve problems now reserved for humans, and improve themselves. The Dartmouth Conference brought together brilliant minds, including Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. They envisioned a future where machines could mimic human intelligence. While their expectations were a bit ambitious, their discussions laid the groundwork for decades of AI research. In the years that followed the Dartmouth Conference, AI researchers made some exciting strides. For example, in 1958, John McCarthy developed a programming language called Lisp, which became the backbone of AI research for decades. In the 1960s, the first chatbot, Eliza, was created by Joseph Weizenbaum. It could mimic human conversations, though in a very basic way. And in 1970, a robot named Shaky became the first general-purpose mobile robot. Shaky could perceive its surroundings and make decisions based on them, a huge leap forward for AI. AI's fortunes changed dramatically in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Thanks to faster computers, better algorithms, and the rise of big data, AI started making real-world impacts. One iconic moment was in 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, a machine showed it could outperform a human in a highly intellectual game. Then came the rise of machine learning and deep learning in the 2010s. These approaches use vast amounts of data to teach machines to recognize patterns and make predictions. This is the technology behind self-driving cars, facial recognition, and even the AI tools we use every day, like Siri and Alexa. Today, AI is everywhere, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. It's transforming how we live and work. For example, AI systems can detect diseases like cancer earlier than doctors. Algorithms recommend the perfect movies and songs based on your tastes. And autonomous drones and vehicles are changing how we think about transportation. So, there you have it. From ancient myths to modern marvels, the history of AI is a story of human ingenuity and ambition. It officially began in 1956, with John McCarthy coining the term and sparking a revolution. And while we've come a long way, the journey of artificial intelligence is far from over. What do you think about AI? Is it a force for good or something to be cautious about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Do You Know for more fascinating stories. See you next time.